7 simple ways to dress better. Learning how to dress better can seem overwhelming, but taking a few simple steps to elevate your style is actually quite simple, and it starts here. Dressing well never came naturally to me. I had to do a few things to improve my style and dress better. So I wanted to share 7 simple things to help me dress my best every day. Fluff your outfit like you would a cushion. After I put on an outfit, I always take a moment to fluff it. What I mean by fluff is style and straighten up. These things can include cuffing your sleeves properly on your shirts or on your trousers, half tucking to bring shape into your outfit. Remove any cat dog hairs from your clothes. We are all guilty of this. Don't worry. Make sure your seams on your shoulders and legs are sitting in the correct line and ensure nothing is twisted or stuck in an awkward position. Before leaving the house, I always take a moment to take one last detailed look at yourself in the mirror. Sometimes I like to step away from the mirror and then step back in front of it again to check myself out with fresh eyes. It helps. Balance top to bottom. What I mean by this is balancing the weight of your clothes on the top half of your body to the bottom half of your body. Balancing can often be a hard thing to master, so don't worry if you don't get the hang of this straight away. But I will give an example and an exception below. As an overall rule, if you are wearing an A-line flowy skirt on the bottom, you should aim to pair this with a fitted top. If you wear it with another flowy item on top, sometimes you can end up drowning in your clothes. Accessories properly. Accessories have a huge impact on your final outfit. Sometimes when we are in a rush, we can forget about them. But I would suggest if you want to dress better, to try get into the habit of always accessorizing. I would recommend finding yourself a few everyday accessories that are simple and go with anything in your wardrobe. For me, these pieces are a small gold hoop, a gold pendant necklace, neutral sunglasses, a gold watch and ring, and a beige leather tote bag. Depending on your skin tone, you might prefer to wear silver jewelry. Often people with a cooler undertone prefer to wear silver jewelry because it complements their skin more. Spend time working out what you prefer, and I would suggest sticking to either gold or silver hardware to make it easier on yourself. Coordinate your colors. Ensuring the colors in your outfit match is a huge factor in learning to dress better. I personally find the easiest way of doing this is jumping onto Pinterest for some visual aid. I usually jump onto Pinterest and search for an outfit with the colors that I intend to wear. If the search result come back without a very good range of outfit with those colors, then that's a red flag. Another thing you can do is research your own specific items in your wardrobe and get to know what colors work well with that item. For instance, if you have a yellow cardigan that you love wearing, search on Pinterest yellow cardigan outfit or yellow cardigan street style. I love searching street style pictures to find really creative outfits and outfits that push the boundaries. As a side note, knowing what colors suit your skin tone is also a great way to dress better. Certain colors can make your eyes sparkle and others can make you look unwell. Spending some time working out what colors make your skin and eyes pop is a big investment into personal style. Ask someone you trust to spend some time with you going through color pieces in your wardrobe and holding them up against your skin. Work out what colors don't do you justice and avoid them from now on. I personally love these rose golden colors against my skin tone. It also matches my hair highlights. Plan your outfit the night before. Planning your outfit in advance is the best way to ensure you are dressing better. It means that you can actually take the time to put together the perfect outfit instead of rushing before you leave the house. And after a while, planning your outfit will also teach you a lot more about style and fashion, and you will eventually begin to dress better overall. Make sure your closet is organized. If you want to dress better, knowing what is actually in your wardrobe is actually a huge deal. It might not seem like it, but it is. Having an organized closet ensures you know exactly what you have and what you don't have. You know what your options are. Being organized will also help you to buy the correct things in the future. The more you know about your wardrobe, the better your shopping habits will be. You will end up buying things that actually match the other items in your wardrobe. Let me know what was most helpful for you in this video so I can continue to create more helpful content going forward. Thank you.